Skibbity, I hope that here. Okay? Hey, it's me, Bunny Jimmy, and I'm Bunny Brother, okay? Today, I will show you how to stop! I will show you how to, make, a eating simulator. Like for my last video, it's easy, it's simple. I usually forgot to find a new video like this. Last time in the video. First, make a food that you want to add. And also you can go to search. And then search up any food. Then you click any food you want. Then you can do this if optional. But I prefer to not do this. First you need to make your animation of your eating, like make it two. Name whatever the thing is. One, eat one. 2, 3, 4, 5, so and so until you get the 2 things. Do it out of it. Or do it. And 1 green flag. Yeah. Bro, you're doing the wrong thing. Oh, let's do it. 1 green flag. Click hide. Repeat any times if you want to add this. You click clone on myself. If you just don't want to add clone, just put this up there. So make sure to set multi-draggable and go to a random position and show it if you want it to clone, and also just do the basically same thing up there too. So and basically when it starts clone, switch to the first costume right here. Wrong one. Right here. The first costume. And then switch left. Then put a forever loop. Put wait until touching your hitbox you made. This is the hitbox I made right there. And let me just move the scratch card. Okay, it's right there. Put a block or broadcast. Prefer to use broadcast. And when that broadcasts, it broadcasts this. It's -1 cleanness, and you can just do this if you wanted to. -1 cleanness, optional. Then play the eating animation. At the end, you can do the same thing, which is add a block or a broadcast. Prefer to use a block. And also, do not put run out screen refresh on this block right here while eat. Do not. If you wanted to, do not. It can 100% make your game lag a lot. And then when I talk, and then you repeat. It is one problem. Yeah, 10 clones. Look, it just don't stop. And you see that problem. That happened twice. But wait until not touching. And my volume broke again. I don't know if you can hear it. You see that problem more? Yeah, this is another problem. All because it's spawning in the random position. That still counts as 2. So prefer to use broadcast if you need to. And I'll use your message 1. Then name this anything. But prefer to use broadcast instead of a block. It's better. How do I receive 2 and broadcast 2? And Oh, now you can see this. Broadcast with clone is hard to do. Prefer if you do clones, replace it by a block instead of broadcast. So, boom, boom, boom. When I identify each, whatever your block name is, and tell that. So if you want your thing to be draggable, put a forever loop only if you want it to draggable. No, put a if then else. If then equals if your thing, whatever your thing is, equals 0. Basically my cleanness is just set it to not draggable if you want it to. If it don't equals cleanness, which is the else, like 0, it can be draggable like that. And I can just boom, boom, boom. Negative and in the negatives. And when it equals a negative, you don't want it in negatives. So that's why you should put a forever loops in somewhere and clean this out of the way in the main loop department. Forever loop. If cleanness, if your thing cleanness is basically cleanness less than 0, set the thing back to the max, and basically you have something that actually works. Like, let me just speed run. Now I cannot drag these things anymore. You're not gonna do it in here too. In another if then else. If not equals to 0, it will do this. If it is equal to 0, if your thing is equal to 0, it is, yeah, basically. Boom, boom. Let me just speed run this again. Now it's fully that. So basically, yeah, you cannot do it anymore. Yep, with mine, it's to say, hey, back to Sarah's. Yeah, that's it. Just go to Sarah's. Yeah, instead of that thing. So comment what you like about this video and how it helped you. And also the animation, I made it myself. And also I will teach you how to make code in a game. Basically, I was about to but if you want a sample of, oh, now it's working. I can't not share it because of that. But copy this link down. Take screenshots and then type it in, like boom, and it's bring you right up to this. But it will bring you to the editor page, and I don't want you to go to the editor page. You just put it like this. Now take this screenshots instead, and it will pop up like this, but I don't want to name like this. I'm gonna name it different else, like testing food game for YouTube. And I may go to just do the same exact thing, and it just bring you to the same exact thing anyways. Just take more screenshots if you need to, and then voila. Yeah, I go push the share button and then say, defend your email. Want to share? Click the share. Yeah, this is complete. Yep, I don't want to do